Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to enable developer options in Android. Hidden by default, unlocking this advanced layout panel allows you to modify device animation speeds, look at active background processes, and activate USB debugging parameters. First, open the Settings apps. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click directly on About Phone or About Device. If you are using a Samsung device, you must tap on Software Information next to open the submenu layout. Locate the specific configuration row explicitly labeled Build Number. Tap directly on Build Number 7 times in rapid succession. Type in your lock screen device security PIN, pattern, or system password to authorize the framework modifications. A toast notification banner will immediately pop up across your display panel, stating, "You are now a developer." Click the back arrow icon to return to the root settings dashboard screen. You can tap the search bar and type Developer Options, or you can manually click on System and select the newly unlocked Developer Options menu block row sitting near the bottom. Ensure the primary toggle switch right at the top of this newly opened workspace layout is set to On to keep your custom configurations running. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.